One of the most amazing Bengali winter special recipe is Mulo Diye Motor Dal or yellow split pea cooked with radish along with few ingredients. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, into a pan, take 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Temper the oil with 2 pieces of dry red chilli. I break them into pieces. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute them well. Now add blanched white radish. I'll fry them for 3 to 4 minutes or until they're slightly golden. I blanch the radish to cook faster. Radish is a delicious, sweet, crispy and slightly pungent root vegetable, but some people don't like radish because of its pungency. Radish are golden. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste and 2 teaspoon of sugar. This dal will be little sweet in taste. Fry for a minute. It does not require any other spices. In Bengali households, dal is cooked almost every day, either with rice or with roti. We want just dal. Now add boiled Motor Dal or yellow split pea. This dal is boiled and almost smashy. Give a stir. As the radishes are pre-blanched, so you can't taste the pungent flavor of it. Now add half cup of water. This recipe will be little dry, so no need to add too much water. Cook for 5 minutes on low to medium flame. It's nicely bubbling. After 5 minutes, add half teaspoon of ginger paste. Give a good mix. Cook them for more 2 minutes. You can serve this dal with plain hot rice or with roti. Now add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give a good mix and Mulo Diye Motor Dal is ready. I know so many people doesn't like radish, but trust me, it's so good. You should give a try on this recipe. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thanks. Bye.